Welcome! In front of me is a TECNO Pova 6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you will want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Next, if you have some kind of case on your device, you will need to remove it, as the tray is located on the top left side of the device, right here where the pin is holding right now. You want to push it in, okay, and you will see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. Now here we have a spot for our SD card, and on the back side we have space for the different SIM cards. Now I don't have a SD card to actually showcase this with, but you just clip it on in here and make sure it's clipped in all the way. It does have these retention little plastic right here that should hold the card in place. So if you flip it to the side, the card should be lying flush on the tray, both of them actually, and it should not be popping out if you flip it upside down. Now that being said, once cards are in place, you just insert it back into your device, and these cards should start working right away. Hence it's why it's popping up with the SIM card pin. So I'm gonna confirm that to unlock my SIM card, and that's it. And SD card, you don't really need to do anything, it will just automatically start working. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.